A little hedgehog got stuck in a barbed wire fence. Seeing this, the man quickly grabbed some tools and cut through the barbed wire one by one to rescue it. The man cradled it in his palm. The little creature seemed very weak. The man rushed it home and gave it some food. A few months later, to the man's surprise, it gave birth to a litter of babies, but one of them was born unresponsive. The man quickly performed first aid. Fortunately, the little one finally showed signs of life. The man decided to separate it and feed it individually, while the more active ones were left with the hedgehog mother. When the baby hedgehogs grew up, the man returned them to their mother. The little ones also successfully grew up under their mother's care. The man was also quite an interesting character, always having some strange ideas. He would dress the hedgehogs in odd outfits, and sometimes in very cute ones. Despite its small size, it had quite a temper. If you accidentally provoked it, it might just bite you. Sometimes, it would even compete with a dog for food, dragging the bowl into the bushes to eat slowly. Usually, the man would prepare some snacks for it. The little guy's favorite was these snacks. Looking at its size, it's clear that eating too many snacks can make you gain weight.